If you want to do something and you want it that bad, you'll make sacrifices. Saturdays or Fridays where I'd give up going to a dance or hanging out with my friends because I had workout the next day. But those things that I gave up, were things that I wanted to help me get to my goal. And that's the thing. It's like people don't make excuses. Some of the best athletes, or the greatest athletes in the world, do things when they're uncomfortable. Everybody can compete when they're feeling good, happy, excited, rested. But it's the best people who can overcome when they're tired, sore, not in the great mind, not in the best mindset. And I think mental power that the greatest athletes have can push all the pain aside. And I think that's the biggest thing, is how strong you can be mentally. I think that really shows who the person is. So I think that's one thing that separates the good from the greatest.